What are tenses in English grammar? Tense in English grammar shows the time of an action, whether it happened in the past, is happening now, or will happen in the future. There are three main tenses. Present tense, actions happening now. Example, I eat lunch. Past tense, actions that already happened. Example, I ate lunch. Future tense, actions that will happen. Example, I will eat lunch. Why are tenses important? Tenses help us understand when an action takes place. This is important for clear and correct communication. What is subject, helping verb, and object? 1. Subject feral definition. The subject is the person or thing that does the action in a sentence. Examples, Ali eats an apple. Ali is doing the action equal subject, she is reading a book. She is the one reading a subject Urdu tip. जो काम कर रहा हो, वो फाइल होता है. 2. Helping verb, Madadgar feral. Definition. Helping verbs support the main verb to show tense, voice, mood, or aspect. Common helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, do, does, did. Examples. She is reading a book. They have finished their homework. I will go tomorrow. Urdu tip. ये फ़ेल को मुकम्मल करते हैं या वक्त बताते हैं. 3. Object, maf'ul. Definition. The object is the person or thing that receives the action of the verb. Examples. Ali eats an apple. Apple is receiving the action of object. She is reading a book. Book is what is being read. Object Urdu tip. जिस पर काम किया जाए, वो मफूल होता है. Example, sentence breakdown. Sentence, Sarah's eating a mango. Subject equals Sarah, who is doing the action. Helping verb is main verb eating. Object equals a mango, what is being eaten. Step-by-step explanation of English tenses. Step 1. Understand the three main tenses. There are three main time zones in English grammar. Present tense, talking about now past tense. Talking about yesterday or before, future tense. Talking about tomorrow or later. Step 2. Each tense has four forms. Each tense is further divided into four types. Tense type example, present tense. 1. Simple I play. 2. Continuous I am playing. 3. Perfect I have played. 4. Perfect continuous. I have been playing. This structure is same for past and future tenses. Step 3. Breakdown of all 12 tenses. 2. Helping verb, Madadgar feral. Definition. Helping verbs support the main verb to show tense, voice, mood, or aspect. Common helping verbs is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, do, does, did. Examples. She is reading a book. They have finished their homework. I will go tomorrow. Urdu tip. ये फ़ेल को मुकम्मल करते हैं या वक्त बताते हैं. 2. Past tense. Tense. Mouse structure example, past, simple subject. Past verb, she sang a song. Past continuous subject plus was were plus verb playing. She was singing a song. Past perfect subject plus had plus past participle. She had sung a song. Past perfect continuous subject plus had been plus verb plusing. She had been singing. 2. Past tense. Tense. Mouse structure example, past, simple subject. Past verb, she sang a song. Past continuous subject plus was were plus verb playing. She was singing a song. Past perfect subject plus had plus past participle. She had sung a song. Past perfect continuous subject plus had been plus verb plusing. She had been singing. Step 4. Tip to remember. Simple is used for habit or fact. Continuous is used for action happening. Perfect is used for action. Completed perfect continuous is used for action. Started earlier and still happening or was happening for a time. Urdu to English examples for each tense. 1. Present tense. Present simple वो स्कूल जाता है. He goes to school. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. I drink tea. वो रोज खेलते हैं. They play every day. अली किताब पढ़ता है. Ali reads a book. हम सुबह उठते हैं. We wake up in the morning. Present continuous वो पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. मैं लिख रहा हूँ. I'm writing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. Children are playing. वो गाना गा रही है. She is singing a song. हम खाना खा रहे हैं. We are eating food. Present perfect मैंने खाना खा लिया है. I have eaten food. वो आ चुका है. He has arrived. हमने काम मुकम्मल कर लिया है. We have completed the work. अली ने किताब पढ़ी है. Ali has read the book. वो चले गए हैं. They have gone. Present perfect continuous में 2 घंटों से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying for 2 hours. वो सुबह से काम कर रहा है. He has been working since morning. हम 1 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. We have been waiting for an hour. अली रात से सोना नहीं बंद किया. Ali has been sleeping since night. वो घंटों से बात कर रही है. She has been talking for hours. 2. Past tense. Past. Simple मैंने पानी पिया. I drank water. वो स्कूल गया. He went to school. हमने फिल्म देखी. We watched a movie. वो खेल खेलते थे. They played games. अली ने काम किया. Ali did the work. Past continuous में पढ़ रहा था. I was reading. वो सो रहा था. He was sleeping. बच्चे खेल रहे थे. थे रहे थे. Children were playing. हम बात कर रहे थे. We were talking. अली टीवी देख रहा था. Ali was watching TV. Past perfect. मैंने खाना खा लिया था. I had eaten the food. वो जा चुका था. He had gone. हम काम मुकम्मल कर चुके थे. We had finished the work. उन्होंने किताबें पढ़ ली थीं. They had read the books. अली ने खत लिख लिया था. Ali had written the letter. Past perfect continuous में 2 घंटों से पढ़ रहा था. I had been studying for 2 hours. वो कई दिनों से बीमार था. He had been sick for many days. हम सुबह से इंतजार कर रहे थे. We had been waiting since morning. बच्चे 1 घंटे से खेल रहे थे. Children had been playing for an hour. अली रात से काम कर रहा था. Ali had been working since night. Future tense. Future simple में खाना खाऊंगा. I will eat food. वो स्कूल जाएगा. He will go to school. हम पढ़ेंगे. We will study. बच्चे खेलेंगे. Children will play. अली काम करेगा. Ali will work. Future continuous में पढ़ रहा हूँगा. I will be studying. वो खेल रहा होगा. He will be playing. हम सफर कर रहे होंगे. We will be traveling. अली सो रहा होगा. Ali will be sleeping. बच्चे खेल रहे होंगे. The kids will be playing. Future perfect मैंने काम मुकम्मल कर लिया होगा. I will have completed the work. वो आ चुका होगा. He will have arrived. हम पढ़ चुके होंगे. We will have studied. बच्चे सो चुके होंगे. Children will have slept. अली खाना खा चुका होगा. They will have eaten. Future perfect. Continuous में 2 घंटों से पढ़ रहा हूँगा. I will have been studying for 2 hours. वो सुबह से काम कर रहा होगा. He will have been working since morning. हम 1 घंटे से इंतजार कर रहे होंगे. We will have been waiting for an hour. बच्चे 1 घंटे से खेल रहे होंगे. Children will have been playing for an hour. अली रात से जाग रहा होगा. Ali will have been awake since night.